In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Facebook lead ads with Zapier 2025 to automatically send new leads to other apps. By the end, you'll have a simple automation that takes each new lead from your Facebook form and sends it straight into the tool you use every day, using the current desktop interface. This keeps your follow-up fast and consistent, without manual copying and pasting. Start by heading to Zapier.com and logging into your Zapier account. From the dashboard, click Create, then choose Zap under Start from Scratch. Think of a zap as a recipe. A trigger starts it, and one or more actions run automatically afterward. For the trigger, search for Facebook lead ads. Select New Lead as the trigger event and click Continue. You'll be prompted to connect your Facebook account and grant permissions so Zapier can read your lead forms. Make sure you're using an account that has access to the Facebook page and the specific form you want. After connecting, choose the Facebook page tied to your lead ad, then select the lead form you want to use. Click Test Trigger to pull in a sample lead. If nothing appears, confirm that the correct form is selected and that there's at least one recent test submission associated with it. The sample is just for mapping and won't affect your live data. Now click Add Action. Choose where you want to send your leads. This could be Google Sheets, your CRM, email, or a messaging tool like Slack. After you pick the app, select the appropriate action event. For example, in Google Sheets, you might add a new row. In a CRM, you might create a contact. Click to connect the destination app account so Zapier has permission to send data there. Next, map your Facebook lead fields to the fields in your chosen app. Match name, email, and phone carefully so each piece of information lands in the right place. Use the sample lead to verify that the data looks correct and follows any formatting your system expects. When your fields are set, click Test Step to send a test into the destination app. You should see a success message, and the test record should appear exactly where you expect it. If everything looks good, click Publish to turn the Zap on. From now on, every new lead from that form will flow automatically into your selected app, ready for immediate follow-up. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.